Verifying your bank account with NBT Bancorp is an important process to ensure the security of your financial transactions. Follow these steps to complete the verification. Step 1. Visit the NBT Bancorp website. Go to the official NBT Bancorp website using a secure internet connection. Look for the login section to access your online banking account. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your username and password to log into your online banking account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by following the registration process. Step 3. Navigate to account verification. Once logged in, find the section related to account settings or security. Look for an option labeled account verification or similar to begin the verification process. Step 4. Provide required information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROG to constantly monitor your email accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm verification. After submitting your information, you may receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your account has been successfully verified. Follow any additional instructions if provided. Completing these steps will help you verify your bank account with NBT Bancorp, ensuring that your online banking experience is secure and efficient. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.